positions. Before we get into the questions, I would like you to introduce yourselves. We will start with Renanda as the sales marketing. Please go ahead.
Morning, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Renanda Briamarani. I graduate with a bachelor degree in management from Stasia, Surabaya. Graduation in 2022. During my studies, I was active in entrepreneur organization and was once a marketing event coordinator. After graduating, I worked for 2 years as a sales executive at an electronic retail company. In that role, I was responsible for managing over 50 customer accounts, executing product pitches, and successfully increasing sales by 25% during the second years. I applied for the sales marketing position at this company because I want to develop my skills in a larger.
Okay, Rhea, that's quite an interesting experience you said. What do you think are your main strengths that make you a good fit for a sales marketing positions?
I think my main strengths are communication, relationship building skills, and my high motivation to achieve goals. I'm the type of person who doesn't give up easily, especially when faced with difficult prospects. Furthermore, I'm also able to work under pressure and in competitive situations.
Great. If you don't reach your sales target, what will you do?
First, I'll analyze the cause, whether it was due to my strategy being inadequate or whether there's been a change in market demand. Second, I'll reapproach potential customer and evaluate my pitch. If necessary, I'll also seek feedback from my team or supervisor so I can improve my performance next month.
Okay, now we move on to the second application. Siva, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siva Salsabila, a Bachelor of Management graduate from the University of Brawijaya, graduating in 2023. During my studies, I participated in Basic Audit Certification Program and had a 6-month internship at the Karya Mandiri Public Accounting Firm. During my internship, I was involved in both internal and external audit process, from document review and financial statement reconciliation to assisting in the preparation of audit report. During my internship, I was involved in both internal and external audit process, from document review and financial statement reconciliation to assisting in the preparation of audit report. I applied for the auditor position because I truly enjoy work that requires precision, in-depth analysis, and high integrity.
Okay, Shiva, being an auditor requires a high level of positions. Can you explain how you ensure your work is always accurate?
I always cross-check every piece of data I examine, ensuring that I match the physical document and the system. Furthermore, I create a standard audit procedure checklist to ensure no steps are missed. If I find any discrepancies, I will immediately note them and consult with a senior auditor to determine the next steps.
Great. What do you think is the biggest challenge of being an auditor?
I think the biggest challenge is the often tight work schedule, especially as an audit period approaches its end. However, I'm used to work to deadlines, and I'm the type of person who can stay focused even when time is limited.
Now, I'd like to ask you both some general questions. First, how do you work as a team?
I'm used to working in a team, especially when developing promotional strategies. I believe each member has their own strengths, so communication and coordination is crucial. I always try to be open to feedback and provide clear information to avoid miscommunication.
As an auditor, working in team is crucial because audit result must be consistent across team members. I always ensure a clear division of tasks and enjoy helping teammates when they're struggling, as long as it doesn't distract from my primary focus.
Okay, last questions. What are your hopes if you are accepted into this company?
I hope to make a real contribution in increasing the company's sales and learn more about large-scale marketing strategies.
Yeah.
I hope to develop as a professional auditor, deepen my auditing knowledge, and help companies improve their internal control system.
Okay, thank you, Renanda and Siva, for your explanations. You've provided a good overview of your respective capabilities. We'll conduct further assessments and contact you via email, or phone in the next few days maybe. Thank you for attending today.
Thank you very much, ma'am.